His sanding gear failed, and his fireman rode in front, dropping Sam on the rails by hand. Suddenly, Percy's wheels slipped furiously, and with a shaky crack, something broke. The crew inspected the damage. Repairs took some time. "One of your clampets broke, Percy," said his driver. "You've taken your side rides off, now you're like an old-fashioned engine." "Can you get these people home? They must start back tonight." "I'll try, sir," promised Percy. Percy huffed and pulled, but his wheels kept slipping and he could not start everything. The passengers were anxious. The driver, fireman, and conductor went along the train, making adjustments between the coaches. "We've loosened the couplings, Percy. Now you can pick up the coaches one by one, just as you do with freight cars." "That'll be much easier," said Percy. "Come on," he puffed, and moved trustfully forward. First coach moving helped to start the second, and the second helped the third. I've done it, puffed Percy. "Steady, boy," roared his driver. "Well done, boy. You've got them. And he listened happily to Percy's steady beat, and he forgot it slowly but surely ahead.